Well, hi guys, this is Srikanth and welcome to our channel Live Forecasters. Well, I would be giving you a slight brief introduction on how to handle charts. How to handle charts. So, I would be giving you. Okay, before I move on, well, there is one website called investing.com. Probably you should use in.investing.com so that you would be getting your what you call just hold a sec. And here you go, this is our official email ID. Okay, so my name is Srikanth and today I'll just give you a slighter information when it comes to the easy handling of charting. Okay, so now there is a website called in.investing.com. This is one such good application, chart based applications. When it comes to another one which is called trading view, in.trading view, and there is a third one which is called, if I'm not wrong, iCharts, I guess, iCharts.in. Okay, pardon me, it's not iCharts, it's charting.com. Yes. Okay, so these are three basic what you call basic chart providers. When it comes to your own brokers, like be it Zerodha or be it Upstox or with Angel Broking, there are a number of brokers which nowadays are giving free charting facility in their to the users in their portals in the terminals itself. So one such effective terminal which I found very much useful is what do you call is with this Srikanth. Yes, that looks more promising. Yes. Okay. Now, sure, let's not deviate and let me go to in.investing.com. So this I found very much helpful. Now, let me see. I'll just take an index Nifty. Okay. So after clicking Nifty index, you will find an options like this. So roll it out. Okay. Let me just tilt. Okay. Okay. So what I would doing is I'll be using a desktop mode so that it will be more visible. Okay, now so this is the basic raw screen which you see when you use investing.com. Okay, from here you go, you click this technical chart. Okay, from there what happens, it opens a format similar to trading view. Okay, now in this format, if you maximize this, you will get a full screen, whereas you would not get this sidebars. There will be a sidebar options which are these options you won't find it there if you do use full screens, right? Okay, now let us turn it out quickly into candlestick chart. Okay, perfect. Now this is Nifty daily chart. Okay, so I'll give you a slight basic information like using indicator, something like that. Already you could see this is a basic raw chart of Nifty. Okay, it is always suggestible to go with what you call log chart instead of auto. There will be a slight difference. Log is a bit effective. If you just wanted to know why log is more effective, just Google it. It will be easy. You will be understanding. So that is not a point of discussion right now. Okay. Now let me just brief this up. Okay. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using a trend line drawn from this candle to this candle and another trend line from this candle to this candle. Okay, now let me use this is basic trend line drawing which we usually plot it on charts. There's no sense like I'm not explaining something anything what you call abnormal over here. I'm just giving a slighter view or information. You could change it more bold look, like you could change the colors like this. Okay, let me just change this colors also here, more bold, this one also more bold, and a violet one. Okay, these are basic trend lines. Okay, so this is one trend line which you could simply use it out, or this trend line you plot it here, this trend line you plot it like this. Okay, let me just plot this. Okay, so this is basic trendline drawings which you use it. When it comes to parallel channels, you would see a lot of charts using parallel channels. So that would be like let me just plot it from here to here and then a channel. Okay, now we have plotted a channel successfully. Now let me use another option which generically you see it on a larger scale by various experts, which is Fibonacci retracement. Now don't ask me what exactly Fibonacci retracement. I'll probably do another video if possible. If not, you can actually use your Google search options. There are a lot more experts who are better, who have explained in a better way. Okay, now plotting Fibonacci retracements is an art, because you need to identify the exact plotting of your chart, the swing low and the swing high. No, don't ask me swing low, swing high. This is a simple funda. From all these candles, where did you find a reversal? This is one reversal point, this is another reversal point, or this is another reversal point. I would correct this one. Okay, now okay, perfect. Now this this one related, what I would do is, let me go to the settings and use trend line a bit bolder, use line line levels. Okay, let me just use reverse and extend lines. Okay, perfect, so that I'll get the entire schema of lines. Okay, so what it says is, from the recent lows, which is which was plotted around 10,785. That was done in which month? If I'm not wrong, in October, September, right? September level. So from September lows till the recent, what you call, reversal, which have considered it, that is, that was supposed to happen in December. Yes, that was the major correction. Okay, now you would ask, why don't we selected this first reversal point? Okay, okay, for your feasibility I have selected that one also. Okay, now see, where did we find the reversal? At 3.618. Consistently we have been facing some hurdles. Okay, now let me just take the second reversal point, which was somewhere around here. Okay, 1.618 is a support. That is the basic support which we are finding, like index is trying to take support on multiple times. 14,600, you have seen 3 instances. Let me just round it up for your own feasibilities. Okay, I'll just mark it up, or else I'll do one thing. I'll just take brush, I'll just take it. Okay, this is the first instance where, अरे बाबा इसका क्या हुआ? Undo, and this, let me just lock it up. Okay, okay, let me just take brush. That should be easier part. Okay, now okay, from here till here, this is one, what you call, like one support, and the second nearest support taken, and the third nearest tried to break that support, but still immediately retraced back and made a high. And fourth time today we have almost near to take, what you call, like a support. Okay, that was trend line support. Currently it has been taken, but still this 14608 is crucial one. So had I selected this one at this range, I would still say we are having a resistance at 15, 300, 200, 300 something range. Had I considered this one as my swing high low, still I would be able to. So here I would be able to judge my resistance. Here I would be able to judge my support, right? So two ways. Earlier, see, I'll tell you what. So this support and resistance is a tricky one. There is nothing much to confuse yourself. Just watch it out. Earlier, this entire region is resistance, right? If I am not wrong. Earlier, in your earlier trades, this entire thing is your okay. earlier this entire 14581 range is your support zone, the first box. And then now that's I mean earlier it used to be your resistance, and now that resistance has taken a trend line support which was considered from the recent swing low, which is around 13,150 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 134 135 range, 140 range. Okay, in that range the trend line support which was around 13,600 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, somewhere around 13,600. So that trend line support it has taken, and from there it shooted out, and this time it broke with volumes. Let me just show you the volume part. So this was the okay. Now see, oops, where is my volume? Okay, now this time it broke. Did it break the resistance with volumes? Let us see, the volume has already shown you a 20 moving average, right? So now tell me, isn't it obvious that a crossover of what you call volume candles more than 20 moving average on your volume chart, suggesting that there is a bit of uh, more open interest kind of thing, building up long build ups, right? There is so much of interest, gap ups, and there is a gap up in addition to that from around what you call somewhere around, if I'm not wrong, 14,330 to somewhere around 14,500. Yeah, 150 points gap up there. Okay, so now earlier resistance has become a support from when? When did it become a support? From which month onwards? It was supposed to be. Okay, let me just. So earlier support has turned out to be from which month? From Feb onwards. From Feb onwards, that 14,600 has become your crucial support zone. Okay. Now many people would ask me, okay, you have chosen from here. What about this COVID fall? Guys, let me just clarify you one thing. There is no such event based, what you call like something which rules out your market purely runs with technicals and fundamentals. There are only two things which matters in markets, which are technicals and fundamentals. Let me just remove all these plottings. Okay, now let me show you one more magic. Let me plot this Fibonacci retracement from the recent high. Let me see if I am not wrong. Yes. Okay. So you would say, how would you predict 7,350, 7,556? Okay. For those guys, let me just go to the historical chart of Nifty. For this, I need to switch on to monthly chart. Okay. So that it would be easy for you people to judge and justify my view. Okay, now this entire region is COVID region, which most of the experts are saying it's a COVID fall, it's a COVID fall. Okay, now let me just show you the magic of technicals. Okay, now I would go with the long term historical chart from 1996 onwards, so that some might say Arey Baba 2008 one more crash, and then this 1992 scam wala. Arey Baba chodo wo sab chodo. I'll just plot from 800 onwards the Nifty to the recent, to the next immediate upside levels. Okay, this 6500 is where major correction happened. That itself is the first range where majority of us believe that we would have a crash in markets. We believe, we never knew, nobody knew that. Okay, from 6380 it crashed. Okay, so it crashed. Great. So what are the important Fibonacci levels? 61.8 and 38.2 and 78.6. Okay, so how many times you have observed this? So from 800, if you see this 6300 plot, would you seriously say that we are just following it out, or someone is manipulating, or do you really think that something is giving a support like 78.6 here, or for that matter 1.618, which is giving support over here earlier, which is earlier resistance, and one for that matter some might say why don't we plot this? Okay Baba, let me just select that 2100 also. Okay, now tell me, this 2008 bubble burst, 2008 bubble burst, is it something which news based correction or a technical based correction? If you are pure Fibonacci lover, you would say it's purely Fibonacci magic. That's it. That's a reversal point for a Fibonacci series. Okay, now let me just extend 3 point this. Oh. Okay, I have chosen all for that matter. Okay, I have chosen all the Fibonacci levels so that you'd have perfect view. Now tell me, is this news based correction guys, from 2008 to Feb 2000, I mean 2008 Feb, if I'm not wrong, yes, 2008 Jan, from 2008 Jan to October 2008, that 8 months nightmare, is it what you call like purely what you call this one, is it something like news based correction? No, right? Let me just see. If it is news based correction, definitely you would understand. Okay, now this is the first swing high. So from there what happened? From first swing high, where did that market take support in 2008? At exact point of 1.414, which is 2250. It has taken a support, and from there it has shooted up. Okay, now let me just take the next level of swing high, which is somewhere around here, 3782. Okay, now let me see, let us see, where did we correct? At the range of at the range of at the range of 12,700. 12,400, somewhere around 12,400, we have crashed in Feb 29 20. Okay, so what I've done, I'll just undo this unlock button. Okay, so I'll choose this point. Okay, 6,370. Now let us see, where did we reverse it? where did we get that reversal? Okay, now we have chosen the closing point of 9,000 points. If I'm not wrong, which one I've taken? Okay, 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 okay. Now, in 2012, there is another correction after 2008 correction. Okay, that was the recent, the next swing high. Okay, okay, okay. Now, now see beauty of Fibonacci. Where did we correct? At exact reversal of 2. Perfect, right? So this is how we plot Fibonacci. Okay, guys. Chalo, let me unfold some more new things from this investing app. So you could see use the same versions in trading view also. So that would be also a similar kind of what you call like options you find. Okay, we'll come with much more informations. Chalo, bye, good night, keep following our channel. Bye bye.